Hi loves, welcome to my channel. So I want to really quickly show you this DIY and kind of explain how I did my lovely tulle balloons. And these are a centerpiece for a baby shower, my best friend's baby shower. A couple of things that I want to explain that a lot of the videos that I saw did not go over is how many is the specs basically. So I basically measured a yard per balloon. So I have 8 balloons and I just did 9 yards to be on the safe side. And I also went back and got 2 more yards just to put at the base in the clear jars that I have, or not jars, but glass vases that I have. I also brought the tulle and the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. The balloons came already with the confetti in them from Amazon, and I just used an electric air pump from Amazon, and I'll put all the specs below that allowed me to kind of blow them up pretty quickly. And these balloon sticks, which basically just look like this, also came from Hobby Lobby, and it was a pack of 20 for no more than like $3 or $4. And then I'm using rubber bands to tie up the ends. So I already have 4 of them already made. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I put everything together.
Purchase your tracks today.
Here you guys go. These are different balloons from the one that I used before. The ones that I used before came in a pack of 40, and it was like a variety of balloons, so you can do like a balloon arch on Amazon. So these are different. This was a whole pack of just the clear balloons with the confetti on the inside. So they do look a little different, but it still gets the job done. But yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, guys, another myth that I just uncracked, and this is not how it's really going to look, I'm just trying to test it out, is the sticks that I told you all about versus these wooden sticks that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. I would drop it when I'm trying to show y'all. These were $3.49. Here, $3.49, and it came in like a pack of 5. So thank God these little things right here do fit over these. So that's how I have it kind of cascaded up, but it's a lot sturdier and it's not wobbling as much. I was just testing it with the fan. The balloons are way too heavy for these plastic sticks. I know that they have some bigger ones that are a lot clearer. I didn't see those at Hobby Lobby, so these work a lot better. And I'm also using these because they are a lot taller than these that I originally purchased, so it gives it just a little bit more support, and these seem to be working a lot better. I'm using regular tissue paper to go over it with this, and then I'll just use the scraps to go underneath it, so that way when I press it down, and this fits in here like exactly, so when I press it down, that way the paper can stick up on the side.